Hello, good morning, student. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so can anyone tell me why few people only, six people are only there? Where are others? Other have not joined yet. So we will wait 5 more minutes for people to join. Till then, let me know what we have done in last lab. What we have done in last lab? Can anyone tell me? સેશન કુકી થઈ ગયા હતા સેશન ને કુકી. Can anyone tell me what we have done in last lab? I am giving you time to think and tell me. Yes, Divya, what we have done in last lab? Can you tell me? આપણે લાસ્ટ લેબમાં ક્યાં
Sir,
લગી
exactly
કરેલું?
don't remember.
સોરી,
Sir, I don't remember exactly.
you don't remember exactly. Okay. If I show you PPT, then you can tell me what we have done in last lab.
Yes, sure.
Okay. I'm sharing PPT with you. Please let me know what we have done in last lab. I think so. Session and cookie was done in your lab.
Sir, this is done.
Okay.
Last slide was 1-3.
Last slide was
1-1-3.
113. Okay. 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 Good. So we will wait for people to join few minutes. After that, we will start our session. Today we will complete this unit 4 and 5th. So when is your second midsem?
What, sir?
When is your second midsem? Second midsem.
On 8th, tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay. So
Yes.
have you prepared for tomorrow's examination?
Yes, sir.
Okay. હા મેડમ. હા લખો જોઈએ. મેગ્નેસ MEGH GH NESH હા મળી ગયું ને. ઓકે. હા નાઈ હાઈમાં ને ઓલામાં જ મોકલજો. હા ઓકે ઓકે. હા 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 ઓકે મેમ. ઓકે 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 જોઈ લો. ઓકે. Okay, so we will start our session. Good morning, student. So this was the slide. Is my slide visible to you? Is the slide visible to you, student?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how to find the extension of the file. So first is dollar extension equal to path information, dollar file name, path information, extension. Path information does a number of things depending on what we ask. Simply it returns path information about the file path. Dollar extension will return the extension of the file. Now this is approach 2. How to get the file extension using approach 2. That is file get file extension dollar file name and return substring sub string str dollar file name echo get file extension name. So it will give you the file extension. Now email. PHP allows you to send email directly from a script. So one PHP is allowing you to send directly email from a script, that is mail to subject message header parameter. To subject message header and parameter require specify receive. It is required. To is required. Subject is required. Message is required. Header is option. Parameter is optional. So in to what you will write, specify the receiver and receivers of the email. Now subject, specify this subject of the email. Note this parameter cannot contain any new line character. Now defines the method to be sent. Each line should be separated by lf slash n. Line should not exceed 70 character. Now headers. In headers specify header like form CC and BCC. The additional header should be separated with CLRF. Now optional. Parameter is optional. Specify an additional parameter to send program. For the main function to be available, PHP requires an installed and working email system. The program to be used is defined by the configuration setting in php.ini file. Now SMTP, that is simple mail transfer protocol. SMTP port, then send email from, then send email path. Now how to send email? To subject message header. If mail is sent to, then to subject message header echo send, else echo error. Now, OOP concept in PHP. What is object-oriented programming in PHP? Object-oriented programming is a type of programming added to PHP 5 that makes building complex, modular, and reusable web application that much easier. That is encapsulation, polymorphism, and inheritance. There are three concepts: polymorphism, inheritance, and encapsulation in OOP PHP. Encapsulation. Encapsulation is about grouping of functionality, operation and related data attributes together into a coherent data structure. Classes. Classes can be told automatically execute specific code on object creation and destruction. In C, you have two methods with the same name that have different function signature, and hence by passing the correct function signature you can invoke the correct method. So in C we have two methods that is with same name. So polymorphism is to exhibit more than one form. This is how polymorphism is achieved in language like C, where in function some integer differs from some float. Therefore, the method sum has many forms depending on the parameter being passed to it. Now inheritance. Inheritance allows a class to specify another classes and inherit its own method, properties, and behavior. This promotes extensibility, reusability, and responsibility. That is known as inheritance. We can create a hierarchical relationship between classes and derived subclasses. Subclass inherits property and method from its superclass, a fact that we can use to save ourselves some work. If we write a superclass, then owns property and method that owns properties and method, and then create subclass that use the capability of superclass. We write it only once, and this is definitely better than writing those method and properties on each subclasses many times in another word. Now $_this function. PHP reserves the variable that is $this to refer to an object whose context the function was invoked from. Usually $this refers to object the function belongs to. Now constructor. Just like Java and C++, you can create a constructor for your classes. In PHP, you can have only one constructor. You must explicitly call the parent constructor. So in constructor, we are using create new word. New word is used for creating a constructor. So in here in W3 means in PHP also we are having a constructor. Now destructor. PHP also has a destructor for cleanup. They are automatically called when object is explicitly destroyed or reference have been removed, like garbage collection. Again, you must explicitly call the parent destructor. Now, for being used, created new, the constructor and the destructor function must be public. You cannot use an object until its constructor has finished executing. So we cannot call the object until the constructor has finished executing. Object उसका नहीं कॉल कर सकते जब तक कंस्ट्रक्टर एग्जीक्यूट नहीं हो जाता. उसको हम कंस्ट्रक्टर बोलते हैं, डिस्ट्रक्टर बोलते हैं. Now oops PHP4 with constructor. $PHP class. This is PHP4 with constructor. How to use the constructor? This is fname Ravi. Now this is used OOP5 with constructor. How to use constructor with OOP5? Object oriented programming is PHP5 and PHP4. Now visibility, public, protected and private. Three visibility is that public, protected and private. Public variable can be accessed anywhere by anyone. Public variable can be accessed by anywhere by anyone. Protected variable can only be accessed by the class and its subclass. Private variable can only be accessed by the class that defines them. It is known as private. Public, protected and private. Just like other O language, object-oriented language, you should default to private and use protected accessor for the subclass. Only constant variable values should ever be public or protected. Only constant values should be ever be public or protected. If your class is more like C struct, public is appropriate. Now, function visibility. Function can also be given visibility of public, protected, and private. Function without visibility declare a public. Explicitly declare the visibility and default to a private variable until a subclass needs a function. Now, this is access method. How the function or methods are accessed. Access method. Please have a look at this program. This is access method. PHP class student public f name. Here function constructor is used. This f name Ravi. Then function get name is used. Return this f name. Then function set name is used. This f name new name. Then student one equal to new student echo the initial name of the student. Then student one set name echo name has been changed. Then echo again name has been changed. This is access method. Please have a look at this method. Again, this is inheritance in OOP. Have a look at this program also. Inheritance using OOP, PHP. In PHP, inheritance using OOP in PHP. Inheritance using OOP in PHP. Inheritance using OOP. So dollar question mark PHP class base class public f name dollar f name public function underscore construct. Here constructor has been made this dot f name Ravi. Ravi means constructor has been assigned. Now get function get name return dollar this f name public function set name dollar name new name that is new name. Then subclass extends base class dollar public dollar subject dollar function constructor dollar this subject wt then public function exam student std1 equal to new base class student 2 equal to new subclass student 1 equal to set name name is echo student name is student get name student 1 get name echo subject student exam then echo standard std2 set name grismark echo student name is student 2 get name then public function exam. This is known as oop concept. Then dollars underscore server. So server PHP self header name server underscore name server underscore software protocol method root agent and ADR address remote address. So now what is PHP underscore self? The file of the currently executing script relative to the document root. Server address is the IP address of the server under which the current script is executing. And server name is the name of the server host under which the current script is executing. Server software is the server identification string given in the header when responding to a request. Then server underscore protocol, the name and the revision of the information protocol via which the page was requested. Yes, anyone having doubt? Any doubt? Then server address equal to IP address of the server under which the current script is executing. Server name is the name of the server host which under which the current script is executing. Then server identification string given in the header and when responding to a request. Then server protocol, name and revision of the information protocol via which the page was requested. Then server method, request method. What is request method? Which request method was used to access the page, that is get, head, post and put. Document root, the document root directory under which the current script is executing as defined in server configuration file. Now HTTP user agent, content of the user agent, header from the current request if there is one. Remote address, the IP address from which the user is viewing the current page. Remote host, the host name from which the user is viewing current page and more. So here we have completed our unit number 4 and 5, 5th. Any doubt anywhere student? Unit 4 and 5th is completed. Any doubt anywhere student?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, Divya. Any another person? Only Divya is answering. What other people are doing?
No, sir.
Ruchi. Yes, Priyanka. Good. Ruchi, Smith, Vedant.
No
Yes,
doubt,
No,
Vedant.
sir.
sir. No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. So we have completed unit number 4 and 5th. Okay.
Okay, sir.
एक बार आप पीपीटी देख लो, रिवीजन कर लो. किसी को कुछ कहाँ पे कुछ मालूम नहीं हो तो बता सकता है अभी. तो मैं एक बार एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ. पीपीटी मैंने ऑलरेडी अपलोड कर दी, आप एक बार देख लो। मैं आपको 10 मिनट का टाइम देता हूँ। विद इन 10 मिनट यू कैन टेल मी व्हाट यू आर नॉट नोइंग और व्हाट इज हार्ड फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड। I am giving you 10 minutes. Okay. So please have a look at the PPT. Please download the PPT and look at the. It is available in your e-content. PPT is available in your e-content. PPT is available in your e-content. Please have a look in the PPT. Please open the PPT of Unit 4 and 5 and check whether you are having any doubt or not. Please open the PPT. I am giving you time for referring the PPT. Please, student, open your PPT. So everyone has seen the program and everything.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So no doubt, right? We have completed Unit 4 and 5. So no one is having any problem, right? No one is having any doubt in this for both unit.
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Only 3-4 people are replying what other people are doing.
No doubt, sir.
Vatsal, Vedant, Anish, Jay Jeevrajani, Jay Limbad, Yash, Hardi, Dhruvi, Devanshi. Everyone got it, right? Everyone has understood.
All clear, sir.
Okay. So now we will end our session here. Everything is clear. So please write your enrollment number name. You can leave the meeting. Meet, why you have joined very late? Meet, Bhimani, Kayur, why you are joining very late and then now writing your enrollment number? Yes, Meet, Kayur. Meet and Kayur, your attendance won't be there today. Yes, why you are joining late? Yes, Jetpara. Yes, કેમ તમે join late થયા? Write your enrollment number, name, and you can leave the meeting. Yes, Ruchi, Hardi, Karan, and Anish. Please write your enrollment number and name, and you can leave the meeting. Anish Raut. Anish Raut, please write your name. Please write your enrollment number, Anish.